Today, we will learn how to connect Google Search Console with Google Analytics so you can see your organic search data directly inside Google Analytics. If you don't already have Google Analytics or Google Search Console accounts, you can watch my other videos where I explain step-by-step how to create and set up these accounts. First, open Google and search for Google Analytics, or go directly to analytics.google.com. Once you log in, you will see the Google Analytics homepage dashboard. Now, to connect Search Console, look at the bottom left corner and click on the gear icon. This will open the Admin panel. Inside the Admin panel, scroll down until you find the section called Product Links. Under Product Links, you will see an option called Google Search Console. Click on it. Here, you will see that no Search Console account is currently linked to this analytics property. Now click the blue Link button. Next, click on Connect Account. You will now see a list of your Search Console properties. Select the correct property that matches your website. After selecting the property, click Confirm, then click Next. Now select the web stream that belongs to your website. Click Next, review the connection details, and then click Submit. That's it. Your Google Search Console is now successfully connected to Google Analytics. After connecting, you will start seeing Search Console reports inside Google Analytics, including data like search queries, clicks, click-through rate, CTR, average search position, landing pages from Google Search. Keep in mind that it may take some time for the data to appear if the connection was just created. If you found this tutorial helpful, check out my other videos on Google Ads, Meta Ads, and digital marketing strategies. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.